Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to prevent single isolated lines at the top or bottom of pages in Google Docs using widow and orphan control. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Highlight the specific paragraphs experiencing isolated top or bottom lines, or press Ctrl A on Windows or Command A on Mac to select your entire document layout. Go to the top formatting toolbar and click on the line and paragraph spacing icon, which looks like an up and down arrow next to horizontal lines. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu bar, click on Format, and hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing. Look near the bottom of the drop-down menu to locate the paragraph protection features. Click on Prevent Single Lines to automatically group lines so that a single line never stands alone at the top or bottom of a page break. If you want to keep an entire paragraph together on the same page, check the box next to Keep Lines Together. To ensure a section heading stays on the same page as the text that immediately follows it, click Keep With next. Google Docs will automatically adjust page breaks to keep your text layout visually clean, balanced, and professionally formatted across all pages. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.